So today guys, we're gonna make some sweet potato pudding, and this is my ingredients over here. These are the main ingredients. So I have my sweet potato, and this is what it looks like. It is the red one. You can find these in the Caribbean stores, and these are the bright ones to use. I also have my coconut. I have one coconut. I already prep it, cut it up, take it out the shell and all of that. The potato, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to go about that, those of you that does not know. So let's move over to the sink. So what you want to do, you want to take your knife and just go ahead and peel the skins off, just like this. So I'm just gonna put the skin in my plastic bag here. So you want to take the knife and you're just gonna peel away the skin, just like that. And after peeling off the skin of the potato, we're gonna go ahead and wash it, and we're gonna grate our potato. So guys, just want to show you the prepping process here. So we have like let's see, I would say about a pound of potato and one coconut. We're also gonna use some sugar, some brown sugar, and some flavoring like our nutmeg and the vanilla and all of those good stuff. So yes guys, this is how you go about peeling your potato. So this is what it looks like after peeling, and I want to go ahead and put it in some water. We don't want it to oxidize and turn brown. So you guys want to take your knife after peeling and just kind of split it open in two, so that you can get a better handling. So that you can get a better handling when you are grating your potato. So you want to cut it in small pieces, in other words, just like this, so you can get a better grip. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the other one, and I'll see you with the finished look. So this is my potato, and I'm gonna just use this side. I think this is the sharpest side. And you're just gonna go ahead and with up and down movement and get it all done. So as you can see, I'm grating my potato. But guys, you have to be really careful because this grater is very sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and I will see you a little later. So guys, my ingredients are all here. This is my potato all grated. My coconut milk is right here, and it's fresh squeezed coconut, guys. You can use the canned one that you can buy in the store. We have flour here, a little salt, we have sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and we have some butter here for greasing our baking pan. So guys, so what I'm gonna do at this point, I am going to pour my coconut milk in this bowl so that I can go ahead and flavor. So right now, this is my sugar. I'm gonna use like about 1 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna just eyeball, guys. So that is about 1 cup of sugar, and we're just gonna go ahead and get it dissolved. This is brown sugar. I feel like it has more substance You can go ahead and use white sugar, no problem. So we want to get the sugar all dissolved. Let's put a little bit more. Like, so this is like about 1.5 cups of sugar, because we're not making a big pudding, just a small one. Now what we are gonna do next, we're gonna go ahead and put our flavor. So I have some cinnamon here, and we're gonna do like a teaspoon of cinnamon, not too much. I have some nutmeg, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grate my nutmeg. You can also get the one that is already grated, but I feel like the fresh grated one has more flavor. So that's it for spice. I don't have any vanilla. My vanilla is all gone. So I'm just working with what I have right now. All right, what else? I need some salt, like a teaspoon of salt to balance out my flavor. So just a little, like I said, teaspoon. That's it. Now, so this is it for flavor. So what I'm trying to do right now is just mix everything together. And I'm also gonna go ahead and taste to see if I'm okay with in terms of sweetener. So let's just try. Yeah, I think that is good. If you like a lot of sweet, you can put some more sugar. This is good for me. So now I'm gonna move on to my potato. So what you wanna do, you wanna put your flour with your potato. And the flour is for binding. So we're gonna go ahead and put, like, let's say a cup of flour. So that is good. Eyeball it. So now we're gonna go ahead and combine the flour with the potato. And this is looking very good so far, as you can see. So this is your flour with your potato. So let's mix it around. Mix it around some more. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more. Just a little. That should be good. And we are mixing. We are combining, in other words. So guys, you can put a lot of flavors in your pudding, like you can put almond flavor, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever you like. Flavor to your taste. All right, so we are done with that. So now we are going to grease the baking pan so that to prevent sticking to the bottom. So we are doing good so far, guys. So let's just go ahead and combine. Sugar is okay for me. I don't need any more sugar. That is good. So let's go ahead and combine the coconut milk. And you want to just stir and fold, stir, fold, stir, fold, just like that. So let's go in with some more coconut milk. And we're going to stir it all around. We don't, remember guys, we are making pudding. Pudding, it's not a cake. So you want it to be this texture. Not too, you need some liquid in it, in other words, because you need a lot of moisture in it, and that's how it's supposed to be. So we want it to be as moist as possible. You don't want when you finish with your pudding it's all hard and dry and all of that. So what I'm doing at this point here, I'm just trying to dissolve the rest of the sugar. So let's pour the rest of it in our mixture. And that's it for now. So this is looking good so far. I like the consistency. And I also have a little more coconut milk sitting over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the rest of it in there. So this is good, guys. This is good. This is how you want it to be. Liquidy. So let's go ahead and grease our baking pan. And it's right over here. It's already heated. So let's get the butter. So I'm using this butter. It's all natural. But you can use any one that you want. A little piece of our butter in the pan for greasing purpose. And we're just gonna go ahead and just grease it all over. We can just go ahead and turn it off. So let's just put our butter into the baking pan and stick it in the oven. We're gonna bake this for at least an hour and a half to 2. 350 degrees. So here we go, guys. Just like that. We are ready to bake this pudding. My oven is already heated. So as you can see, looking good. So let's go ahead and cut. So we want to start it from the middle here. And we're just gonna go down slant. And then we're just gonna take another piece here. Go like that. And now we're gonna attempt to lift it. So we have to go around the edges. So it's still a little hot, and when it's hot it's kind of hard to come out. You already let it sit for a while, but I just want to show you what it looks like. Maybe I should have cut a smaller piece. Let's try a smaller piece. Still very hot. But you remember, guys, remember I said I was gonna allow it to cool. I went ahead and I took out a big slice to eat. I could not wait. So, you know, guys, this is what it looks like, all cooled. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut out a couple of slices just to show you what it looks like. And this is the best time to eat it, because when you eat it hot, you don't enjoy and really get a feel of that nice taste. It's better to eat it when it's all cool and you can see the real shape, and then you're gonna get to taste the real taste of the pudding. But some people, you know, they like to eat it when it's hot. But as for me, I like it like this. So let's go ahead and cut a couple of slices out of this pudding. So we're just gonna go down like this, because we want to make like a, let's go ahead and kind of get it around the edges like this, so that we can take it out. And we're just gonna get a little spatula or something and just lift it. So here we go. So this is my spatula. I'm just gonna go in and lift out a nice piece of my pudding. That is one piece. Let's get another piece. And there you go, guys. This is a nice piece of potato pudding. Very moist. So this is how you go about it, guys. So we're just gonna lay that over. Let's cut a couple more slices. So let's get another slice. Another one over here. And we might as well just cut it all up. So as you can see, very nice texture, and it has the moisture on top that we're looking for, looking all brown, the right color, the right everything. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out. And like I said, I already ate a slice and it is so good, right taste and everything.